Right, back we go. It is Sunday, September 26th. Looking at some stocks. Let's check out Zomedica Pharmaceuticals. Let's take a look back at the monthly first. Looks like the stock came about July 29, 2016. Around this one mark, made a move to 250, and then really put in some spikes and then dropped like a rock 2019. Fell from that 250 mark all the way to, wow, 7 cents. Can you imagine buying a stock at 7 cents and it goes up 275? Let's just see it. Let's say even 1,000 divided by 7, and then times, try to see it. 1,000 divided by 0.7 times 2.43, 34,000 you would have made on this little run up, even with 1,000, investing $1,000 basically. All right, so this moved up, like blowing my mind here. It's incredible. 25 cents to, looks like 291. And look at the pullback. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 7 red bars. You're very oversold here. Not necessarily crossing over yet, it's just diving deep down, trough. Weekly, see the big run up, little pullback, another run, which made that 291 mark, and we pulled back. Now we have the 20 EMA. See this across over 13 man. That's the challenge. That's why it spiked here, but didn't move up. People are like, oh, it's going to move, but no, it can't. You can't move up until you have a crossover. See this? When you're above this, it's not going to go through until you have a definite, extended move, and then it's going to pull back. Eventually, then it crosses over. It takes a while. It took like 2 months. This could battle this for a while, the 75-cent line. Looks like that is the key line, and then you'll be on the break one eventually. That's what I'm looking at here. On the daily, there's the move up. You can see it right here. Incredible move. Stock, even 25 cents you get in, or 50. It's an incredible gainer. Then we come down, we break out of this wedge, 125, back and forth. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, like 4.5 months. If they come out from this low, about 46 cents, to rate at 80 cents. That's a nice little move, but it didn't hold. And it's pulling back right here to 50 now. Is this a new base? You moved up? Is it coming all the way back? Or is it going to hold that 50-cent line here? We'll see here. It's not really going up here. It does look like another like tight channel or wedge before another breakup. So to me, that key 50-cent line is important here. If we can hold that, I'm looking for 60 to 75, back to that 80 first. Then we'll see if we can make that $1 run. Retracement level right now, I pulled it back to this low, which would be, the 23.6 fibs is one. We're way below that. So that's great potential. Excuse me. All right, so 75 and 80, that line right here, that cross to one would be my short-term look. And then we'll see if this 50-cent holds. Let's look at some news now. It's a $519 million market cap. Float is 954 million. Institutions own 15%. Investors place with the crickets chirping at Zomedica headquarters. Why buy the stock? Appointed to directors. That was September 13th. Sean Whalen. Zomedica continues to execute poorly to September 3rd. So not much news recently. Hit my mic. They're a veterinarian health company focused on unmet needs of clinical veterinarians by developing products for companion animals. Development, commercialization of TRUFORMA, biosensor platform, thyroid disorders for dogs and cats, detection of that. What else do I have here? Collaboration agreements with Sully Incorporated. Detection of cancer in companion animals. All right, so it's all about basically veterinarian medicine. Not much news though. So it's quietly hovering here. Now, you did have that big spike, pull back very hard from that level. See that weekly again. See the weekly, we're crossing down, but it could be one of these moves. Could be up, new base up, like that, like a zigzag. And here's the battle. See this? Your 20 EMA was over 13 EMA. 63 cents, 70. Try to get through. Look at that move, but it can't. That's what people don't understand. Look just a little closer. When you have a reverse pattern here, the 13 is be above that. Then you'll move up. That's using right now as resistance. It can't get through that resistance. So you have reversal. So it's just a flat sideways down. But once we do break that, I'm looking 75 to 1 on ZON. That's where we stand right now. Not much going on. It's going back and forth, sideways chop. And when it does break, it'll probably break pretty strong here to the upside, like this move here. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Game Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button, leave comments. Check out my links below. And that is it for this video. Peace.